Lesson 14.3 is all about the properties of rhombuses, or rhombi is the plural. Some properties that you need to know is that all four sides are congruent. They are equal in length like a square. It's basically a square that's been tilted over to the side. It's also a parallelogram, and the diagonals are perpendicular. So if something were to tell you that the shape is a parallelogram, meaning the opposite sides are parallel, and they're congruent obviously, then the diagonals are perpendicular, which means these two lines here form 90s everywhere. That would tell you that the shape must be a rhombus. Also, you need to know that the diagonals bisect the vertex angles. So this diagonal here would bisect this whole angle at M, saying here and here would be equal. I also know here and here would be equal. I know at L, this would equal this, and this would equal this. Okay, so it's cutting all these corners into two equal angles. So let's try some problems with those properties. Number one says find the length of the three missing sides in the rhombus below. No, it's not a trick. All sides of a rhombus are the same, so X, Y, and Z would all equal 2. Okay, number 2 says find the measure of the three missing angles. Same things as a parallelogram. Since a rhombus is still parallelogram, we would say that Z must equal 126. And then I could do my 180 minus 126 to say that both Y and X are 54 degrees. All right, number 3, find the value of X, Y, and Z in the rhombus below. Same thing with just using algebra. I know that all sides are equal, and so they must all be set equal to 9. So I'll start with X first. Sorry, that's so blurry. Negative 3X minus 3 needs to equal 9. I would add 3 to 9, that's 12. 12 divided by negative 3 would be negative 4. I would set 8Y minus 7 equal to 9, add 7, and that would be 16 divided by 8 means Y must be 2. And then negative 2Z plus 5 equal to 9. I would subtract 5 from 9, that's 4. 4 divided by negative 2 is negative 2. Number 4 says given the rhombus below, find the measure of angle EIF right here. Well, since it is a rhombus, I've learned that these diagonals make 90s. They are perpendicular, so it would be 90 degrees. Don't even need to do any math. And number 5, given the rhombus below, measure of angle SPT. So right here is 50 degrees right here. If the measure of QPT is negative 10x minus 10 degrees, solve for x. What do we know about those two angles? We know that they should be congruent, the same. So I would set those expressions equal to each other and solve. Add 10 to 50, that would be 60. 60 divided by negative 10 would be negative 6. And that's it.